How long does it take for you to see the results when you've started using the beard growth oil? I want to advise all those people who have just committed to actually growing a beard from scratch. I want you to know that growing a beard is not an easy journey. You want to be patient and you want to be consistent on what you do every day. There are different beard growth oil products out there that say that they help to grow the beard in a short period of time, but what happens is when you try to use this beard growth oil, nothing happens. You're not going to see any results. Most of the times it happens because maybe you're not using the beard growth oil in the way you're supposed to use it. And sometimes it happens because you just don't take care of your skin. Because if you are applying the beard growth oil on your skin where you want the beard to grow, but you don't take care of the skin where you want the beard to grow, the beard growth oil doesn't do anything. So you want to take care of the skin where you want the beard to grow, which means you have to wash your face twice a day or thrice, in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening, but not forgetting actually exfoliating, because exfoliation removes the dead skin cells on your face, which blocks the pores where the beard grows from. If you want to grow the beard from scratch, you do the right things. You wash your face, you take care of your skin, and you apply the beard growth oil in the right way twice a day or every time you wash your face. You're going to see the results in only 1 month. If you just don't know what you are doing, you're not going to see the results that you want. That's why it's very important that you know how to apply the beard growth oil and you also know how to groom your face. Most of the times people don't do the right things, and that's why they complain. They've been using this beard growth oil for some time but they're not seeing any results. They've been doing this and that but they're not seeing any results. It's because you're not doing something right. Find out what you're not doing right and do it right so that you grow the beard that you want. By the way, the beard makes you look more manly and it makes you look more smart and mature. If you look amazing, you're going to be happy. That's why you want to grow a beard that can help you to look amazing. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comments and I will make sure that I respond to you with a comment answer or with a video just like this one. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful. Thank you for watching.